Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and you're watching video number 11 of our series 21 Looks. The idea behind these videos is that you can steal the looks to be able to take photos and video assets and present them to your customer. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create those looks with how-to step-by-step information. We're in the market of safety, and if you watched our last video, you know that we completed this high-end button-up garment for a grocery store. Now, you wouldn't think of safety when we're decorating that, but we need to complete that look to create the outfit. And that's where this high visibility safety vest comes into play. Now, there's a huge market for these safety vests right now, not just in food delivery and grocery delivery that we're talking about today, but in other marketplaces like medical or home improvement stores, anywhere where people are going to be working in low light conditions. So open your mind to the opportunities for this particular product. What we'll be decorating with today is our high-vis color reflective heat transfer vinyl. You can order this logo pre-made just like this, you just position it and press, or you can buy it by the roll to cut it on your vinyl cutter. One of the reasons I've chosen this color to decorate this vest is so not only can you see the reflectiveness at night where it returns the light back to the source, but you can also see it during the daylight with this darker color of reflective material. Let's head over to the heat press to show you exactly how to execute this piece. We're over here at our Hotronix 16x20 autoclam heat press, and I'm getting ready to load the vest. One thing you'll notice is at the front of the vest, not only are there the 3M reflective high visibility stripes, but there's zippers and a lot of seams. Things that wouldn't allow me to just load the vest on, it would damage my graphic and print through. So what I need to do is equip your heat press like we have here with the heat press caddy, or if it comes built in like the Fusion does with a threadable design, you need to have that because we want to split this item and load it onto the press, getting a nice flat print area. Now, there's one other concern here, and that these reflective stripes are up on the area that's going to receive the heat, and they may get damaged if I just press it like this. So we have two choices. Choice number one is I can cover the stripes. We have a product called a flexible application pad that you can actually trim up into pieces and use it to cover the stripes so they won't become damaged. If you just have a 16x20 inch platen, that's the way to go. But if you've equipped your press for maximum productivity, odds are you have some optional platens, and I certainly would recommend them. In this case, I'm going to take off the 16x20 platen, I'm going to place it to the side, and I'm going to grab my 11x15 platen and load that directly into the machine. You'll see there's a pin registration. It drops down into place, and then I'll lock the lever to hold that into place. Now, anytime you change a platen, you always need to check the pressure. Let's lock this press down. I can't even lock it down. That's way too much pressure. So I'm going to turn the pressure adjustment knob counterclockwise to reduce the pressure. And then let me try to lock it down again. I'm looking for a medium to a firm pressure. Right now it's reading as a 2 on my control board. I'm just going to increase it slightly. I went too far back. And now I have a 4 pressure. So that's good. 4, 5, 6 is a medium pressure. Now I've set my temperature. It's 325 degrees. And I've also set my timer for 20 seconds, which is what this high-vis color reflective material calls for. Now let's try to load that vest back onto the press. And as you can see, I get a perfect print area. This 11x15 platen is awesome for these safety vests because typically the reflective stripes have an 11-inch wide print area and they fall just right down over the edge, so I get it nice and flat. I can flip the tag out here so that's not causing a pressure issue, and I have a nice print zone. Let's preheat that for just a few seconds to remove the moisture and wrinkles. Now I'll be able to take my design. Again, you can order it pre-done like this where you just peel it off of the backing. It comes off very easy. And we can position that into place. Now, one application tip when you're decorating safety vests, you have to think that this is the back of the vest. If a lady's wearing this or even a man with longer hair, you can easily cover this up. And so you want to watch out for that. So when you're doing a back application, you typically want to place it just slightly lower between the shoulder blades. We want to make sure that the grocery brand gets represented here when we're decorating this item. Position it into place, cover it with your cover sheet, and then lock it down for the recommended time, temperature, and pressure. Once the application is completed, the machine automatically opens, revealing my design. Now, high-vis color reflective is a cold peel, so I can remove this from the press to peel it after it's cooled completely down. Now that we've completely cooled down, I'll grab the corner and pull at a 45-degree angle, trailing it with my hand, just to make sure we have good contact here, and that will reveal my completed result. I love the reflective sheen that we're getting here on the material that matches the striping on this high visibility vest. So what do you think? Is this a look that you can sell in your business? I think it's a look that's certainly in demand with where we're at right now. Adding additional safety to people as they're out delivering food or loading up groceries is a need that a lot of businesses have. So you can steal this look as well as the look that we showed in the prior video by clicking the link in the description, downloading those assets, and sharing them on your website. Hopefully you feel confident now with the how-to knowledge that you've gained to know you can capitalize on this market.